Although America left the Vietnam War in 1973, it was to rage on until the 30th of April 1975. North Vietnamese forces claimed the city of Saigon and renamed it Ho Chi Minh City after the Democratic Republic of Vietnam's communist leader. The war began in 1955 after Vietnam was partitioned in 1954 with the communist-backed North Vietnam and the French-backed South Vietnam. America got involved, for they believed that when one country went communist, the next one would, and so forth. This was called domino theory. They lost the war for numerous reasons, including the North Vietnamese being fiercely loyal to the cause. In total, the war cost America an estimated 58,000 lives, and Vietnam an estimated 2 million lives.